All right, guys. So now we're ready to start graphing. So we need to use the information that we just filled out on slide 2. So I'm going to move back and forth between the two. So Miss Singari starts at what coordinate? So if I look right here, I see that it says Miss Singari starts at 0 hours and 0 kilometers. So that means the coordinate is 0, 0. So I am going to take this blue dot and I'm going to drag it to the point 0, 0. That is my origin. So she starts right on the starting line. Okay, so now what was her slope? So I look back again. We said the slope was 3/4. This means I go up 3 and over 4. I'm literally going to just copy and paste this so I don't have to type it again. All right, so what does that mean for my dots? That means I need to count 3 spaces up and 4 spaces over. So we start at the origin, and I go up space 1, 2, 3. And notice I'm using the lines with the numbers. And now I'm going to go to the right 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to put the next dot. Now I grab another dot and I start at the last one, and I'm going to follow the same pattern. So I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that gets me all the coordinates. So now I want to connect the line. So I go up here. See where it says line? I click line. And now I literally, I didn't do something right. So I click line, and now I'm gonna just click my dots, and it's gonna highlight it in purple, and I'm just going to connect that. And now I've created a graph. Let's try that again for Miss Mish. So what was her starting point? So it says Miss Mish starts the race at 2, 0. So that means my coordinate is going to be 2, 0. Now remember, it was 2 hours after. So if I look at my x-axis, I see that my x-axis is the hours. So 2 hours after the race starts actually is right here. So that's where the first dot is going to go. Now I count up using my slope. So in this case, my slope was 3, which means I go up 3 and over 1. Again, so that I don't have to retype it, I'm just going to copy and paste that information. So I take my dot, I start at my first one that I just placed, and I'm going to count up 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then over 1 is here. Okay? I need to grab another dot, but this video is in the way and I don't know how to move it. Let me just exit out. There we go. Okay, so again, I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and write 1 space. All right, now I want to connect the line. So I go to select line, line, and I start at my first dot, and I just connect them until they're highlighted, and then that is it. We graphed. Good job.